When I wanna buy a cookie at Starbucks, I have to pay 10 Turkish liras. But when I do it at home, it costs less than 2 Turkish liras. So why don't you watch my videos, follow my leads and do it at home? Why not? I will never go to Starbucks again for cookie. I'm not kidding. This is the best cookie ever. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ibrahim and today I'm going to make cookie just like you eat at Starbucks. Ingredients: 100 gram butter, a spoon of cacao, a pack of vanilla, a pack of baking powder, a half cup of brown sugar, a half cup of flour, 2 eggs, 65 gram white chocolate, 80 gram milk chocolate, and 160 gram dark chocolate. Also here I have boiled water, and now I'm gonna melt these dark chocolates. Now I'm adding the brown sugar, then 2 eggs, and now I'm mixing. And now I'm adding cacao, baking powder, vanilla, and flour. And then I'm mixing it. Now I can add the dark chocolate that I melted. Now I want you to know that it's not that hot, and it mustn't be hot. I'm mixing again. And now it's time to melt the butter. I will wait a few minutes after I melted the butter because I don't want it to be so hot. And now I'm adding also butter. Firstly, I am mixing it slowly. Then fast. And now I'm gonna chop milk chocolate and also white chocolate. After I chop the chocolates, I will let them and mix. Now all the ingredients are ready and they are here. I'm gonna put this in the fridge and I'm gonna wait. Cookie dough has waited 10 minutes in the fridge and now I can give it cookie shapes. I will use these 2 spoons for it. Bake is ready at 170 degrees and now I'm gonna bake the cookies. Now my cookies are ready. Don't worry, after wait a few minutes its shape will be better. And in this time I will prepare my other cookies. Let's check the second cookies. Next one. Now I want to show you the first cookies. When they wait, its shape is going to be better, you know. They're not gonna stay just like this. You are going to see my double cookie. Are you ready? This is just like in Starbucks. This is the cookie in my dreams. I will never go to Starbucks again for cookie. I'm not kidding. This is the best cookie ever. When I wanna buy a cookie at Starbucks, I have to pay 10 Turkish liras. But when I do it at home, it costs less than 2 Turkish liras. So why don't you watch my videos, follow my leads and do it at home? Why not?